during the storm. We are already, in quotes, endangered species for publicly towing these parts, even though those who have sought to relegate this heritage to the background are also coming from behind to call to say, look, you know we are Igbos. Let me tell you, Chief Emmanuel Aguma of blessed memory, an Ikwere man, was chairman of Ndigbo, Council of Elders. By the time he took up that mantle, some Ikwere chiefs rather, imposed a fine on him. He did not pay that fine because they said if he dies, that they wouldn't attend the burial. He died a hero and he was buried a hero, and he was given a national burial. In fact, some of the state facilities in Rivers are named after him. Chief Emmanuel Aguma. Senator Dr. Obiwale of blessed memory became the minority leader of the Nigerian Senate at the time. An Igbo slot that was donated to him by his hinterland Igbo brothers just to give Ikweres a sense of belonging, that we are all one. Okobule Wonodi, Chief Jackson Mp, Chief Origi, Chief Francis Ella, Chief C.C. Nwuche from Ekpe in Ahoda, in recognition and in honor of his commitment to the Igbo struggle, was made chairman of the Anambra State University until his death. He's the father of Chibodon Nwuche, the former deputy speaker of the House of Representatives. We have very prominent Ikwere sons who have, Chief Obiwale was a founding member of Ndigbo. Chief Emmanuel Aguma was among those that wrote the current constitution that created the rotation of the PG ship of Ndigbo among the 7 statutory states in alphabetical order, which has now given Rivers State the chance. So the point is that the truth is now walking on the streets in Rivers State, and people are realizing it. It may not be a one-day journey, but the movement is faster now, and we are riding on this opportunity of our son becoming the PG of Ndigbo to lead more than 100 million Igbos around the world as an opportunity for us to fish our people into this boat, because the unity of Ndigbo with Ikweres, whom in my opinion are the largest Igbo group, have now come on board to drive this process, and we believe our Igbo brothers around the world on our side, more will come in, and then the stories behind what this other older generation is doing will go into extinction. That's the beauty.
The problem we have today is that most of us don't make research. We believe they say. That is why people don't understand the scripture. And that is why people get history wrong. Because my father say, on our king talk you don't make inquiry. I've said you will see something that are circulating online where they say Igbo people are the word formed by the, what did they call it, the British government, Kiniko. Even some Igbos will now be forming some word and be saying Igbo is I go before others. Some people even say Igbo means slave. Look at the Igbo dictionary. We have said it time with time number. Igbo is derived from the word Asian people, Ndigbo, the Asian people. And I know I don't want to dive into that topic. A lot of people will be asking questions, where did Igbo people come from? Igbo people did not come from anywhere. All those fabricated stories, Igbo people migrated from Israel. I don't want to dabble into those ones. Igbo people did not come from anywhere. Yes, migration happens, like my fathers who migrated from Medu to Aniomas. Just a distance that is not up to 2 hours, but in the ancient times, the long distance to walk it on a footpath, climb the hill, come down, cross the river. There are more than 3 or 4 rivers you will cross if you are following road now, or even 5 you cross if you are coming from Benin to Asaba. You will cross more than 5 different small canals or rivers. So, but in those days, it's a long journey, it's a big migration to leave Vidu, follow the footpath with your family and people. In the jungle where there's no light, where there's wild animal, is a big time migration. It takes months if care is not taken to move animal, move human being on a footpath. Yes, that's the migration. Not be all those stories, but I don't want to dive into it. What I'm saying is that if you make inquiry, you will know who you are. Ndigbo bụ Asian people. Ndigbo, Ndi, people of ancient. Gbo is ancient. In anyone a na-akpọ ya ndị mbụ. Ndị mbụ ọnụ ụkwụ a na-akpọ ya Ndegbo. 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 Look at this picture that showed about Ikwere elder and his wife, and they call it Ikwere Igbo. What am I trying to say? If you listen to that video, the hinterland Igbos are the best people to deal with. But I'm not saying this to make them look superior, because they say out of 12 people, you must see Judas and Tammuz. Those who will betray you and those who will doubt you. They exist. So not like all of them are good. But in the general note, the hinterland Igbo, the South Igbos are the best. 50 years after the Civil War, that since identity crisis have existed, Ndigbo kwechiri, Onyaye na Nwanne.Their, that they will not leave us alone until we accept our Igbo-ness. My name is Chukwuemeka Kogolo, Onye Onuchugbo, in Aniocha North Local Government of Delta State. Dokpala Ezechime. We are looking to have Aniomas State. But do you know that even my father will advise me in the room while growing up? Imanya abụghị ndị Igbo. Nna m na-asụkwa Igbo, were ya na-adụ m ndụmọdụ. Imanya abụghị ndị Igbo, makwa ka you na ụmụaka ndị Igbo si anyị. We keep denying the Igbo, yet ndị Igbo kwesịrị and still treat us right, and still deal with us right. With all the insults we have poured upon them, we have accused them they are doing it because of Biafra. We are doing it because they want to grab our land. They are doing it because of our oil. They are doing it because they don't have seaport. With all the accusation, ndị Igbo kwechiri. You know, I made a video one time, either 2003 January. I made a video said, men give women lift, but women know they give their fellow women lift. And when you say that thing, they say a man might give you leave because he want to toast you. Yeah, there must always be a reason why a man do what he does. But you will be woman, why you know they give your fellow woman lift? Forget men, give your fellow women lift. Men, except a woman we see in friend or we won't collect money from the thing. Women will not stop and say, let me give my fellow women lift. Men will stop, give their fellow men lift. Stop, give women lift. No matter the reason, men are still helping women. That is this one. No matter the reason why you accuse the Igbos for trying to make you believe that you are Igbo, they are still trying to make you to believe that you are Igbo. The reason have been there for 50 years. Ndigbo kwechiri. With all the insults. Yes, I know that some of them have insulted us, but if you look at it, the insult worth it. My mouth is big. But you wait, say you get cute mouth. In the 21st century, you go open mouth, talk, vomit vomit nonsense. Ọnụ ga-adịzie ka ikputu ezi. Nwa nwere ọnụ ajọ ọnụ, a na-ekwu ezigbo ihe. Gwa nwere si na ị nwere ezigbo ọnụ, a na-ekwu nonsense dị ka ikputu ezi. Sorry. You know, this is not funny. That in the 21st century, your mindset is telling you that you are not Igbo. Their mindset is telling that the Igbo people are a bad person. In the 21st century, of course, I understand that mindset determines how you see things. Because if you give two people assignment to carry 25 liters of gallon and tell them, carry this water to two-story building for the next 2 weeks, the one that call it exercise, at the end of the 2 weeks, will develop muscles. The one that call it work, at the end of the 2 weeks, will lean. The same work rate, but different mindsets. That's why the same routine of exercise will make somebody to gym, and the same routine will make somebody to slim down. He will lose fat. Why? Mindset. It is your mindset that something you have been hearing over and over makes you think that the Igbos are the bad person. They are doing it because of this. They are doing it because of this. Is it by force to be Igbo? But if you look at it critically, these guys are liberal. They are more accommodating. Because based on the insult and everything, these guys still accommodate Ikwere to be on as a president. If you listen to that video complete, to that voice note completely, you will see what the man is saying there. That some of them are not calling and say, you know, say we'll be better. Now because of the way things they be, that's why we no one accept. Why did they have to force you to accept who you are? Why? And those people that are advising you now to deny Igbo, I see uniting themselves. They are happy that you are discrediting. If you say now you are not Igbo, you go see say now those people go come, they like your post. And then go they follow you. Your enemy is now making you to hate your own brother. But thank God for the hinterland Igbos. Igbo Queen, I can confirm now that you guys are good. I'm out of here, Joe.